going on, guys? Stefan here, S&E's Garage. Today we're here with our 2001 Jeep Cherokee and Maverick, and we are going to be replacing the starter motor. So first and foremost, you're going to disconnect the negative terminal, get it out of the way, somewhere where it is not going to be able to reconnect, and we're going to get under the Jeep. Alright guys, so the starter's right here. They're relatively easy to do on these. We need to disconnect the positive wire coming into the solenoid, and we also need to unplug the wire that goes into the solenoid to trigger the starter. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to unplug them, unbolt that, and then we're going to get the two starter bolts out. Hey buddy. So we got the starter unbolted. It was a 14 and a 15 mil bolt, and we have it hanging down right here because the one plug that plugs into it is a locking plug, and it's easier to just let it hang by the wires and do it that way. So I'm going to get this old one out. I'm going to disconnect those two wires that I was telling you about, and then we're going to plug the new starter in and then bolt it up because it's just going to be easier to do it that way. Alright guys, so we got the old starter out. You're just going to want to compare the old one to the new one. Make sure everything lines up, you know, everything's in the same spot. These two wires are the same. These are all the same. So now we're going to go ahead, we're going to plug this in. We're going to connect our 12 volt battery positive here, and we're going to throw her up in the truck. Alright guys, so we got this new starter all wired in. I did just want to show you this locking connector here. It's got a little red tab that you pull back towards the back of the starter, or the back of the, actually it would end up being the front of the Jeep, because the starter mounts up there backwards. But yeah, so it's all wired in, it's plugged in, the connector's locked, and we're going to slide it back up into place and tighten it down. Alright guys, we got that shiny new starter in. Everything's connected. You can see it from up here. I did also just put a water pump in this, so we're just going to fill it up with coolant real quick. We're going to fire it off. Reconnect the battery also, don't forget to do that. Alright guys, let's see how she starts with this nice new starter. Perfect. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.